Today, I'm going to talk about a shot that I call the bulldozer shot. Why do we call it that? Bulldozer? Because we're going to bulldoze right through these blocker balls, just like they were butter on a hot day. All right, so we're going to slice right through them. It only goes, I have the 3 ball and the 8 ball. I need to get something on the 8. It does go to both corners. So I need to get through these blocker balls. So you can do that by just elevating, doing a topspin shot, and just elevating about 20 degrees and just driving through them. Hopefully they don't get in our way. Okay, and we do have a pretty decent shot on the 8 ball. Let's check out a few other examples. All right, and if you just elevate a little bit higher, you can miss these blocker balls here all together. Just a little jump shot. Regular cue, soft tip. Check it out. Well, we got shape, but we ended up clipping the 10 a little bit. But it's okay. We won. There we go.